everybody, Dr. Velez here. I just wanted to reintroduce to you Casandra Mazar. For those of you that have been with us for a long time, you've probably already met her. For those of you that are new with our practice, you will soon come to meet her, hopefully. She took a little break to get some extra education in, was very productive in 2020, and she is now a certified nutrition counselor, as well as a personal trainer and soon to be certified in corrective exercise.
Yes. Thank you. Yes, rejoining the crew at Velez Family Health. I worked with them for a while, went out on my own to get some education, start my own business, Energize and Thrive.
Yay.
Website to come soon. And wanted to join back with the team to do lifestyle educating program.
We're super excited to announce that we're going to be restarting our 12-week healthy lifestyle and weight loss programs. More to come on that and another video with more details.
But for now, join us on July 29th for our detox program. We do a virtual meeting with everyone beforehand to explain everything with the detox and get you all jump started. If you're ready to kickstart your metabolism or make some healthy changes in your lifestyle right now, this is a great way to get started.
Or if you're experiencing some of the common symptoms of fatigue, mental fog, difficulty concentrating, bloating, this is going to be a great program for you.
Very much so.
If you're interested in joining us on July 29th, just visit our website at velezfamilyhealth.com to register and to order your kit, or you could call our office at 407-530-6591. We look forward to seeing you there.